Hi guys, let's see Angel's guidance for remaining days. Okay, now this card is from Archangel Jermiel and she says personal responsibility. Take responsibility for your choices. This is an opportunity for inner growth. So, guys, whatever choices you make, whatever you decide, you need to take the responsibility of it. Nobody else is, responsible for it. A lot of people they will decide some or the other thing. I have seen it, and then if something goes wrong, if something doesn't goes as they feel, or maybe people around them feel so, then they'll start blaming other people on so and so that I was influenced, this, that. But decision you had made, right? And a lot of time when this happens that some person is interested in some one thing, but because of some family pressure and so that person had to choose something else. On that also people will start blaming, like, the family or other people who are influencing them or manipulating them or forcing them. But guys, you also could have shown guts to do what you wanted actually to do, right? So whatever you are choosing to do in your life, take the responsibility of it, and in some or the other way it will help you to grow internally. Like if you're on the right path, that will also help you. If you feel that this path wasn't made for me or so, that will also help you. It will help you to become more strong and to become more, uh, confident to put your points, like, no, I won't do that, this. So that's the thing. Let's see another message. Okay. And grace. Here with this message, I would say that with Angel's grace, you are getting a lot of things. If you feel that why I'm going through this situation, why this is happening only with me, and like this is such a worse situation, but here I would say with the grace of angels, because they are favoring you, because they are with you, I would say that if your situation could have been the worst, it hasn't been so. Who knows, you never know the other side. Maybe from whatever you even don't even know, you have been saved, you have been protected from that. So be grateful to divine energies, angels, because each and every one of us have our own set of guardian angels. So be grateful to them. This is what I would say. And don't think that nobody is protecting you, nobody is looking at you on so and so, because this is the answer for your question. Thank you.